Mike Tyson is a legendary boxer known for his ferocity in the ring, in his troubled personal life outside of it. Born in Brooklyn, New York in 1966, Tyson had a difficult childhood growing up in poverty and facing numerous personal challenges. Despite his rough upbringing, Tyson quickly made a name for himself in the world of boxing. He turned pro in 1985 and just 1 year later he became the youngest heavyweight champion in boxing history at the age of 20. Tyson's style and the ring was aggressive and powerful, earning him the nickname Mire Mike. He had a string of victories and became one of the most feared boxers in the world, but his personal life was far from perfect. Tyson was involved in numerous scandals, including a highly publicized rape trial that led to his conviction in imprisonment in the early 90s. After serving this time, Tyson attempted to make a comeback in the boxing world, but he struggled to recapture his former glory. He retired from boxing in 2005 with a record of 50 wins and 6 losses. In the years that it followed, Tyson focused on other pursuits, including acting in philanthropy. He also continued to battle his personal demons, including drug addiction and mental health issues. Despite his troubled past, Tyson remains a beloved figure in the boxing world and beyond. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of confronting one's personal challenges head-on. In recent years, Tyson has also become a motivational speaker and has shared his story of overcoming adversity with others. He has been candid about his struggles with addiction, depression, and anger management, and has encouraged others to seek help when they need it in 2020. Tyson made headlines once again when he announced his return to the boxing ring at the age of 54. He faced off against fellow boxing legend Roy Jones, Jr., in an exhibition match, which ended in a draw. Despite the outcome, Tyson proved that he still had the power and skill that made him a champion in his pride. Today, Tyson continues to inspire others with his story of resilience and determination. He has spoken openly about the mistakes he has made in his life and the lessons he has learned from. Through his example, he has shown that it is possible to overcome even the most difficult challenges and come out stronger on the other side. In addition to his motivational speaking and boxing career, Tyson has also become an entrepreneur. In recent years, he has launched a line of cannabis products called Tyson, which he describes as a lifestyle brand that focuses on health and wellness.